Uncertainty looms over India-US MQ-9A drone deal due to potential congressional blockage over alleged Indian involvement in anti-CIA activities. Analysts suggest this setback could hinder US-India military ties, impacting economic goals. For India, delays in acquiring advanced drones may prompt exploration of alternative collaborations. The outcome will significantly influence security dynamics in the Indo-Pacific region. Diplomatic efforts are crucial for clarity and determining the deal's fate. Paris Defence and Space Technologies secured a 53 crore rupee contract from the Indian Ministry of Defence for designing and fabricating optical periscopes for submarines. The contract, awarded by DRDO's Instrument Research and Development Establishment, aligns with India's defence self-reliance goals. Successful completion could position Paris Defence as a key supplier, enhancing Indian Navy capabilities. The advanced periscopes aim to improve submarine stealth and operational effectiveness, contributing to the government's Make in India initiatives in the defence sector. Cochin Shipyard Limited, CSL, clinches a prestigious 500 crore rupee international contract to design and build a hybrid service operation vessel, SOV, for the European offshore wind farm industry. The vessel, specialized for service, maintenance, and operational requirements, highlights CSL's expertise. This success reinforces CSL's stature as a leading Indian shipyard and aligns with the global push for sustainable energy solutions, particularly in the expanding offshore wind energy sector. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh is set to commission INS Sandhayak, a 110-meter ship with over 80% indigenous content, in Visakhapatnam on February 3rd. Constructed at GRSE, Kolkata, and displacing 3,800 tons, the ship, powered by 2 diesel engines, succeeds its decommissioned predecessor. With over 25 days of endurance and speeds exceeding 18 knots, INS Sandhayak enhances India's maritime capabilities and presence in the Indian Ocean region. Defense Secretary Shri Giridhar Aramain co-chaired the 12th Joint Military Cooperation Committee meeting with Oman's Defense Secretary General, Dr. Mohammed bin Nazir bin Ali Al Zabi. They reviewed robust defense cooperation, exploring new areas such as training, joint exercises, and oceanography. A MOU on defense material procurement was signed, aligning with the joint vision document. Bilateral talks highlighted India's defense industry capabilities, fostering a fruitful partnership. The Indian Army Design Bureau is spearheading nearly 350 projects valued at 1.8 lakh rupees crore, collaborating with 450 industries, including DRDO. General Manoj Pandey, the Army chief, highlighted that nearly 100% of the Army's procurements will be indigenous. ADB's focus aligns with achieving self-reliance and minimizing import dependency. Progress in quantum computing trials promises enhanced secure communication capabilities for the military. The Ministry of Defense is poised to receive the Letter of Acceptance, LOA, for 31 MQ-9B Sea Guardian drones from the US, enhancing India's surveillance capabilities along the line of actual control and maritime boundaries. Priced at approximately $99 million per drone, the deal awaits US Congress approval. The MQ-9Bs, capable of over 35 hours of flight, will be crucial for the Indian Navy, Air Force, and Army. India plans to domestically assemble a significant number, fostering technological expertise and achieving 15 to 20% technology transfer.